In this short instructional video, we're going to show you how to set up a Mentimeter account and how to create 3 questions to survey your staff on uses of towel via Mentimeter. First things first, hit Get Started for free. Then put in your email address, password that you remember, and your name. Next, Mentimeter will ask you why you want to create your interactive presentations. I'm just going to put education and teacher. Now we're ready to start. I close out of this and click New Presentation. I don't need to take a short tour. I want to start straight away with a word cloud. The first question I want to ask my peers or staff is, how do they feel when they hear the word towel? Okay, and then I could add a picture if I wanted, but for this purpose I'm not. Then I click on New Slide, and this time it's going to be multiple choice, and I want to find out what towel they're using in the classroom. Okay. Name a few: Kahoot, Nearpod, Socrative, Quizlet, Puzzle, Play Puzzle, Noodle. Okay, and we'll leave it with that. And then the next slide, I'm going to leave it open. Now, it says that my maximum number of questions has been reached. However, I'm going to invite a friend. So, let me see. And hit invite. And it's letting me add an additional question, and for this question I'm going to make it open-ended. What supports you need to use towel in the classroom? And that comes as speech bubbles. Okay, that's fine, that's all done. I can configure it. And configuring means you can do it at presenter pace, so where it's live and the feedback is live, or audience pace, where you can send the code to your staff and they would answer the questions in their own time. Okay, so I'm going to use this for audience pace. And just English. And then I am going to hit export and share. And I can share that with my audience. So my audience to use it, all they need to do is have the voting link, or I could use the embed code in my Moodle. That's been the short presentation on how to use and set up your first Mentimeter account. I could just change the presentation name, final thing. Okay, and it's saving, and we are ready to go.